Hey all, this is Emil from Brook Hollow Design, and I am super excited to show you the outcome of our recent project to transform our entryway. In our space, we live in a 1740s home. It's an antique American colonial style home with so much character already built into it, and we just wanted to leverage the character and just make that stand out. We picked a beautiful color from Farrow and Ball, we did color drench, and it looks absolutely stunning. I'm in love with it. It totally changes, honestly, the experience of the home. So this is the entryway that we are going to take from somewhat drab and bland to incredible. That's the hope. So we're planning to do a few things here. We're going to sand, repaint, and we're gonna go shopping, get a few items, and restyle the place. I love it.
It's empty, we're all good to go.
Oh shoot, we forgot that.
Oh.
So we got some of these sandpaper spongy things, and we're just going over the trim a little bit to take the sheen off so it will stick better with the paint.
This is too hard.
It is the next morning. I'm up early trying to get a lot of progress on this room done today. So next up, I'm just going to, I think, start on the wall paint. Exciting! I gotta say, I am loving it so far. I was a little bit worried about going so dark in here, but right now it's looking gorgeous. I hope when it dries, it's still looking gorgeous. Just got the roller part done on the walls. Whoops, forgot that section. Got the roller part almost done on these walls, and I'm actually loving the look of it. It's gonna be way darker in here when I'm done because we are doing color drench all in this blue color, which is such an interesting color. It changes with every movement of the light. It's gonna be awesome. I'm loving it so far.
It's way, like, darker than I thought it would be, but, like, it looks really good. Like, it makes it look better because it's, like, nice and, like, it's like an enveloping hug when you first walk in the door.
Totally. And I think it's gonna work well with that wooden door back there too.
Yeah, it looks really good with that.
Yay!
Yay!
Hey, this is 2 days later after I think the last time we shot. We had to have a day off, we had a bunch of other stuff to do, and we actually had a whole bunch of people over for dinner that night right after I had finished painting the first door, and we got rave reviews from everybody about the direction it's headed in. So before I get right back into painting, I just want to show you where we're at with this one door that I did the color drench in. That's as far as I got on trim and doors. And look at that. It looks gorgeous, people. It looks gorgeous, and it takes this room to a whole different level. So I just wanted to show you that, and that's what I'm going for. I'm going to finish the rest of this today. We we're finally finished painting. We unfortunately can't move our alarm system monitor here, so we're gonna just have to style around it, which is a bit of a bummer because it doesn't really go, but whatever. The only other thing I would change is we've got these outlets covers and outlets that are white, and I really would love to put a more traditional outlet cover, something made out of metal that looks really cool with this room. So I might do that later, but it would require me to change these switches out to be brown or black too to go with those, and I'm just not ready to do that quite yet. So we're gonna live with these and we're gonna live with this, but it's still gonna be gorgeous. We are keeping this light fixture. I still love this light fixture. It's got that rustic feel to it. And so we're gonna get styling. Let's do it. We need to find some good stuff for our entry remodel overhaul project. Probably some art, maybe some lighting. Let's go find out what they have.
That looks pretty.
That's so pretty. All right, we're gonna show you, I'm with Alex here. We're gonna show you some of our haul that we got here. Pretty cool stuff. First of all, is this lamp. I think it's gonna be an awesome vibe, actually. I love this long center pole thing with this handle. I think that'll be a cool look. What else do we have?
Next up, we have this brass mirror. It looks really cool, really antique looking. I think it's gonna look amazing.
I think it'll be great against the blue that we're putting in the walls there too. Yeah, and great with the lamp.
Okay, let's see. Next up, we have a pretty picture of some flowers.
Nice. And that's just got an interesting frame going on here.
Yeah, it has some leaves in it.
Yeah.
Okay, that'll be really pretty. Okay, what else have we got? We got this interesting looking green bottle with some engravings in it. I don't know if you guys can see or not.
Oh yeah, I think you can see a little bit. It's like grapes or fruits or something.
Yeah, there's some grapes and some leaves in it. Yeah. So we got that little bottle. What else? Oh, we got this bottle of old clay marbles from a long, long time ago.
Yeah, I think we just liked the colors there and the shape, and I might be a bit of a sucker for bottles.
Yeah,
glass bottles.
It just looked really cool. We were like, well, that you can't go wrong with a bottle full of colored marbles.
Yeah, add a little bit of color. Did we get anything else? Oh yeah, I think this is my favorite part right here, actually.
Yeah, we got this nice brass, what is this thing called again?
Shelf.
Yeah, a nice little brass shelf to go up on the wall.
Like this. Oops, I
Yeah.
can't hold it like that. There you go.
To go up on the wall, and we can put a bunch of things here. I think we're gonna put some of the bottles up here maybe. I don't quite know, but I think it'll look really good.
I hope you all enjoyed that so much. We really enjoyed doing the project. I admit it took a lot longer than I thought it would, but it is absolutely worth it. I'm so happy that we did it. And stay tuned, come back and see more Brook Hollow Design videos on home decor, home design, and I'll catch you all soon. Thanks so much, bye.